It's me, Marvy. I wanted to show you the window seat in my room. My mom calls this my little nook. Isn't it cool? I really love hanging out here and looking outside the window. Sometimes I even see some of my friends. Oh, hey, Frank! Frank is a dog that lives next door. He's really good at catch. Sometimes when I see other kids in the neighborhood playing outside, I go join them. But other times, I just like to curl up here with my stuffed animals, blankets, pillows, and read a good book. It's super cozy and one of my favorite parts of my room. Do you have a favorite spot in your house? Have a grown up write your answer in the comments below. I'll see you later, greenie beanies.